Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-year computer science student, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed right now. You see all these amazing projects, hear about internships at big tech companies, and you're just sitting there wondering, where do I even start? Trust me, we've all been there. It feels like everyone else already knows what they're doing. But today, I'm going to break it all down for you. This is your ultimate roadmap to starting your coding journey in your first year, step by step. So grab a notebook and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about languages. Your university will probably start you off with a language like C++, Java, or Python. My advice: embrace it. Whatever language they teach you, dive deep into it. Don't get distracted by what's trendy on social media. Your main goal in the first semester is to master the fundamentals. I'm talking about variables, loops, conditional statements, functions, and arrays. These are the absolute building blocks of all programming. It doesn't matter what language you learn them in, because these concepts are universal. A for loop in Python works conceptually just like a for loop in Java. Focus on understanding the why behind the code, not just memorizing syntax. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to move on to the next crucial topic: data structures and algorithms, or DSA. This might sound intimidating, but it's the heart and soul of computer science. Think of it like this: if programming languages are the words, DSA are the grammar and storytelling techniques that allow you to write a masterpiece. You'll learn about things like linked lists, stacks, queues, and trees. You'll also study algorithms for sorting and searching. These aren't just abstract theories for your exams. They are the tools you will use every single day to solve real-world problems efficiently. A great way to practice is by solving problems on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Start with the easy problems to build your confidence and slowly work your way up. Now, while you're grinding on DSA, don't forget to build something. Theory is great, but practical application is where the magic happens. This is where you start your first project. And no, it doesn't have to be the next Facebook. Your first project should be simple, fun, and something you're genuinely interested in. Did you love playing Hangman as a kid? Try to build it using the command line. Are you always forgetting birthdays? Make a simple reminder app. The goal here is not to create a revolutionary product, but to apply what you've learned. You'll run into bugs, you'll get frustrated, but the feeling of finally seeing your code work is unbeatable. This is also your first step toward building a portfolio, which is super important for internships later on. Okay, let's talk about one of the most underrated tools for any developer: Git and GitHub. Imagine you're working on a big project and you make a mistake that breaks everything. With Git, you can just rewind to a previous version of your code, like a time machine. It's a version control system. GitHub is a platform where you can store your code online. It's like a social media for programmers. You can showcase your projects, collaborate with others, and even contribute to open source projects. Learning Git and GitHub early on is a massive advantage. Create a GitHub account today, push your simple Hangman game to it, and make it a habit to document your coding journey. Recruiters love to see an active GitHub profile. Finally, remember that coding is a marathon, not a sprint. You will face challenges, and there will be days when you feel like you know nothing. That's completely normal. It's called imposter syndrome, and even senior developers feel it. The key is to be consistent. Try to code a little bit every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Join coding communities online, find a study buddy, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The tech community is incredibly supportive. Your journey is just beginning, and it's one of the most exciting and rewarding paths you can take. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this roadmap helps you kickstart your coding adventure. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Drop a comment below and let me know what language you're starting with. See you in the next one.